All right. Here we need to apply the concept of a range of number of data and statistics to provide answer to this question in WASSCE 2024 September edition. The range of sample of 10 numbers is 5 and the largest value is 50. What is the least value? Mathematically, we know that range equals to largest value minus the least value, right? Mathematically, we don't concern ourselves with how many numbers are there. If there are 50, we still move for the least and the highest if it is arranged in ascending or descending order. So we know the range, we know the largest value, it is the least value you're looking for. So we can say that let y be the least value, meaning the range of 10 numbers is 5, meaning 5 is equals to largest value 50 minus what? X. What do we do? We can add x to both sides and subtract 5 from both sides. So x will be equals to 50 minus x, and that will mean that your x will be equals to 45. So therefore, the least value is going to be 45. So 45 as the least, largest 50, the difference between the two will give you your 5. The 10 does not play any role in this question. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.